Mr. Mehdi, uh, uh, I introduced you on our new participant from Kashmir because last time you are telling about the Kashmir. Uh, so, uh, Miss Urfia, Dr. Miss Urfia Mirza. Do you
Yes, sir.
listen me, Mr. Miss Urfia
Yes, sir.
Mirza?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Now, please, you repeat your words. Thank you very much.
Actually, this is a very novel concept. I have never seen such things because I belong to a different field of veterinary surgery and radiology. But I'm very much interested in this poultry production department because in our clinics there are cases of poultry as well, and this poultry production has attracted. This department is very attractive here, also in Kashmir, just like Pakistan. There are many poultry industries and farms as well, but I have always looked for such kind of webinar or information in which I could gain knowledge about all this. But this thing is very interesting, and I am very much interested. And this is such a novel concept. And thank you so much for that information.
Thank you very much, Miss Dr. Urfia Mirza. Would you
Thank you,
like
sir.
to tell us that in which field now you are working?
I'm working in veterinary surgery and radiology, and in our clinics, avian surgeries also come from farms because there are many surgical cases in poultry as well. And mainly whenever there comes some impaction cases, because due to this temperature variation, the birds, there is indigestion problems and the feed gets impacted as well. So we operate the animal and draw out that material. And I have seen, because of this variation in temperature and all these variations, ventilator problems, etc., the birds have suffered, and we have seen surgical conditions coming in like this.
Right, right. So thank you very much, and we hope that you got our links also. You got our channel because Mr. Mahdi, uh, today I got a message, an email from Miss Dr. Urfia Mirza, and I am very conscious because when I got a message from India, so its number is also from India, and most of the times our some competitors want to disturb our webinars, and it happened maybe I think last time no, it's with Mr. Uh, Giblan, yes. Uh, Mr. Andrew, yes. When it was Mr. Andrew, yes. So that's why I asked. I don't know that he's Miss or Mister. That I just asked them that to send an email for satisfaction for verification. So and then I will send. I send him a link because of the when he also she sent me a message that I am from Kashmir and from this and this. That's why I think that this is real. And also in my mind yesterday, when I was talking with you that you were telling about the Kashmir, because Mr. Miss Urfia Mirza,
Yes, sir.
yesterday yes, at this point I think I in my mind that there is aesthetic problems because of the high altitude. So what you do?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, please.
That in case of ascites, we don't give surgical treatments. We basically give diuretics or something which drains out the water from the animals. And in case of impaction or some solid material is intruded in the stomach, for that we go for surgical cases. We refer such cases to medicine because we are specifically dealing with the surgical cases.
Right, right, right. Okay, we will happy if you uh, bring special the poultry sciences PhD doctors and the others, as we are very happy if you give our contact to them, and they will
Sure, sir, sure.
yes,
I have many
yes.
friends here. There is a separate poultry science department in our college, And
Right.
I will be humbled. I will be thankful that there is such a great opportunity to learn from such platform. I will surely transfer your contact to them.
So thank you, Miss Urfia Mirza. So great. Uh, your appreciations. Thank you very much.
Thank
And
you.
Mr. Mahdi, do you have any question?
Uh, uh, I have one advice. Dr. Shahini from Iran, he is the very experienced veterinarian.